then for this final for the Back to Basics Bangers. The final race of the evening here at Northampton. What a cracking little meeting it's been as well. Great to see these Back to Basics Bangers coming on in reams and realms, and a lot of variety of cars, a lot of new drivers as well popping up in the results this evening. Always great to see. What a way to march on into 2025. Green down, 41 leads out the turn. Thomas Dye, been up front previously this evening. 357 in second. Oh my word, parking lot turn 3. Not making it round in, bit of back yet, so 41 going through. And I thought we was on the gold rush. There's that many cars down there on the turn. The leader's still. We're going to go red flags. So we'll wait for a decision on that one, the red flags. Angus final, at 2. Green flag goes down, hopefully we'll get more round this time. Lewis Thompson leads lane 219. Well, it's only a few dropping out down there on the turn. BLT in front, 219, and Evans coming through 283 on the inside of the three-door advert. Thomas Dye there 41. Two sorting themselves out further back. 729 in all sorts of shapes and things as well. Craig Willisham. Orange Focus. They seems to have slowed a little bit. BLT trying to move out Jordan Coleman in 21. 729 on the attack to the lead. 174 car, a bit sharp there on 729, all shoving that leads down the far side. Thomas Dye in second. Black flag 201 for cutting across the field. 729, 41. Round goes BLT 219. Orange Martin moving in 131. 217 then on the outside of turns 1 and 2. 729 then leads the way. Slightly place on the bonnet of the Focus. 41 in second, 131 third. Over the far side they go. 729 took himself out wide time. Thomas Dye to come back through in 41 if he can. Run goes 357.298, out goes 729, new leader. 41, Thomas Dye, Orange Carlton in second in 131. 831 in third. Change on the far side. Change again, 41 back into the lead. 12. David Wright with the race lead then on the far side, black and white. Then the battery colour, 601 just ahead of him. David Wright then on the attack on the back markers, 601 just ahead, and the cushion is just on the inside. Further back, 831, 41, 131, all having a little bit of a play down there on turn 1. Well, just avoiding the trouble down there on turn 3. Smoke signals from 601, 831 and comes through. 41 Thomas the infield, but going nowhere. 5 to go. David Wright down the far side. Wings away. Thomas Doyle still in second. Carthy in third. Not sounding too good on the home straight here. Could it be our race leader is about to go? Back markers to be sideways, flat flanked out. 12:41. It's black and white, not colour, Mr. Starter. 4 to run. Thomas Ty's back aren't they in 41. 131 McCarthy in third. Indicated finally has worked on the black and red Astra. That's gone off on the home straight as Thomas Ty leads it up on the inside. Lovely to move David Wright out of the way. 12 with the race lead. 41 down the inside line. McCarthy in third. 41 comes through with the race lead. Well done, told flat tyre on the car. Well pulls up. 131. That back marker still in second. It's Thomas Dyer with the race lead in car 41. Last lap, last time around. Thomas Dyer in car 41. Down the far side he goes for the final time. Starting out with 50 cars. Just about a dozen left running. It's 41 that takes the win. Thomas Dyer. 131 McCarthy in second. We'll check on that. 5-1 also round complete the laps. So long there was back there. This seems to be going around at the moment. 41 men. This is now 14 field. The reds and checkers is the starter.